Hi friends, welcome back to Sai Kamini Trends. Uppittu, Upma, Uppit, Kharabath is one of the favorite South Indian breakfast loved by all. It is generally prepared using dry roasted semolina or coarse rice flour. But in this video, I am going to share Uppittu or Upma recipe with a twist. I am going to use coarsely ground almonds instead of dry roasted semolina. Almonds are no doubt food for health. Consuming almonds daily in a limited quantity can do wonders to our body. Generally, it can be eaten in breakfast, although you can have it in any part of the day because it is known as the healthiest snacks. Around 20 to 24 almonds will give you 163 calories, 14 grams of fat, 3.5 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of carbs. Out of this 14 grams of fat, majority is monounsaturated fatty acids, which is the good fat. Let us start the recipe. Here I have taken 25 to 30 almonds and I have made a coarse powder out of it. If you just get the bite-sized pieces in upma, it will really taste good. So I like it this way. You can also make it into a fine powder. Here I am using 1 or 2 green chilies and half a onion and some beans. You can use all other vegetables which you like capsicum, carrots and everything. And I'm using these till leaves or generally called sapsige suppu. It gives a great taste to upma. Salt to taste, turmeric and half lemon. So with the ingredients ready, let us start the recipe. Out of 30 almonds, I'm taking out the powder equally divided into 2 portions. One portion I will store it and the other portion I'm going to use it now. Let us start the recipe. Here I'm using 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the mustard seeds, let it splutter, then add the jeera seeds. Then goes the urad dal and chana dal. You can also add peanuts if you like them. Just fry it a little bit, then adding curry leaves. Give it a mix. Time to add the green chilies. Saute in oil. Then add all the other ingredients, onion and vegetables. Here I've taken only beans. You are free to use the vegetables you like. Fry them in oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover it for 2 minutes so that the beans and the other vegetables cook properly. Time to add the dill leaves or sapsige suppu. This gives a very nice flavor to upma. Give it a nice mix and fry it in oil for 1 minute. Time to add the almonds, coarsely ground almonds. If you like, you can make it a fine powder also. The bite-sized pieces, you will enjoy them while eating. I've added around 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Give it a nice mix. Fry the almond in oil, adding salt to taste. A little bit of red chili powder also. Mix well. Then add the same quantity of water. I've taken 1/4 cup of coarsely ground almond powder. So I'm taking 1/4 cup of water to this. Add the lemon juice to this. Give it a nice mix. Simmer and cook it for 5 minutes. It's been cooking for 5 minutes in very low flame. Now it is ready. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool for 2 minutes. The rest of the portion I'm going to store it in a airtight container. Giving 2 minutes rest is more important. The almond's nutty flavor will get reduced with this process. See, I've taken a bowl greased with ghee and I'm going to serve the almond upma now. Serving it with a spoonful of ghee. Without ghee, the uppit doesn't taste so good, isn't it? Garnishing it with some grated coconut and coriander leaves. Spicy and tasty almond uppit or upma is ready to eat. Almonds, as I told, are no doubt a food for health. So, taken in limited quantities, it will really help your body because it is rich in fiber and protein, boosts your metabolism. It will reduce the hunger and promote the weight loss as it is rich in fiber content. It is also rich in vitamin E, which is good for eyes. It is also known to lower the blood sugar levels, or you can say it helps to stabilize the blood sugar levels. It reduces the blood pressure. As it is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, it is called heart healthy fat. It improves the HDL cholesterols in our body. HDL is the good cholesterol. So it improves the HDL levels in our body. So as you can see, almond uppit is now being enjoyed by my husband along with some boiled eggs and salad. This almond upma also serves as a great keto breakfast. Do give it a try. And thank you all for watching.